This is how we use the dishwasher in Marina Gate 2 Unit 5104. To use the dishwasher, please make sure that the dedicated switch is on, and you will find it here. This is the switch for the dishwasher, which is the next to the gas switch. Make sure it's on. You can insert first your tablet here by clicking on this blue button and put it inside, and then you close it, or you simply can use the liquid detergent by adding it here and closing it back. Then you put inside whatever you want to wash, of plates and glasses. You can open or switch on the dishwasher by clicking on this button. You can select the different programs you have from P0 till P8 by clicking on the P button. 2, 3, 4, each one, the meaning of it on this menu. So for example, you want to wash on eco mode, you select P1, so you go to one, and then you simply close. You can see that the dishwasher started by having this light.